Then after that we have this section. Now to create this section, because as you can see we have the title, subtitle very similar to this section. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead, right click on this entire section, click on copy, come over here, right click, paste. Now as you can see we have the exact same section, and because we don't have to again do the same changes for the title and subtitle, we can save some time over here. So I'll copy the title, our services. Okay, now as you can see we don't have to design it, we just have to change the content. Now for the second one, this is the content, click on update. Now here instead of this icon box I want image box, so I'll right click, delete this thing, and inside this I'll add icon box. Okay, we had this image box, this is icon box. So here we want to use this icon first of all, and we want to use this title. So select this option, change the icon, this is chart icon, so some chart icon. We want this one, select this, click on insert. Now as you can see we have this icon. We want to change this style. So for view, instead of default, select tagged. You will get this option, and here you have shape circle or shape square. If you want you can also select framed. This is how it will look. I think we have used the framed one. So I want to make this thing framed and change the title to digital marketing or whatever title you like, and also change this text, lorem ipsum text. Okay, now let me do one thing. If you change this thing, if you want you can also change the icon position like this. Okay, but I want the icon at the top, I don't want to change this thing. Now go to style, let's start styling this thing. Now first of all we have the icon, so if you want you can come back over here under thing, we have the icon. So for primary color I want this the orange color. You can also change this size and everything. I think we can change the size to 45, just a little bit smaller. Rest everything looks good. Just go to content, change the title color to this color. So we'll select this color, select this preset color, change the typography. Let's make the size 20. Okay, this looks good, and let's make it a little bit darker or little bit weight. So we'll select 600 weight, and for line height let's make it 1.5. all right, now I want everything left aligned, so I can select content alignment left. Everything will be left aligned like this. Now for the description I'll select this option, I'll make it 4C, this color, change the typography, and for this I want this size to be 16, and I want to make it a little bit lighter, so 300 weight. Click on update. This is how it will look. Now a lot of things are already done. For example, the padding for the icon column, if you go to column setting, go to advanced padding, and also padding for this option, for this section, everything is very much preset, so we don't have to waste a lot of time over here. Now simply delete this image box, delete this image box, simply copy and paste in this icon box over here. Click on icon box number 2, change the icon to this chart icon. This is also a chart icon, this one, select this, click on insert, change the title to marketing analysis. Okay, rest everything will look good. Click on update. Now let's change some setting in the background. So first of all, we don't want this thing that you have at the left hand side, we don't want this in this background. So we'll select this edit section, go to style, remove this thing from the background, remove this image. We want the color, but at top and bottom we want the divider, the shape divider. As you can see, this waves thing both at top and bottom. So let's select that option, select edit section. Here you will see shape divider, select top and select waves. Okay, this is how it will look. If you want you can flip this thing, if you want you can invert this thing. Okay, I think it is inverted in the demo website. Okay, and let's add some padding again at top, because I want to bring this our services even down. So I'll go to padding, or maybe I'll select this our services text, go to advanced and add some more padding, maybe 150. Okay, now it looks much better. Click on update. Now select this bottom section, go to style. First you have to select this option, edit section, because we are doing this setting in this section. Now I want to go to style, and we want to add some shape divider at the bottom. So again select shape divider. Now this time click on bottom, and bottom also I want to add waves. Now there are many more that you can add. You have mountains, as you can see, you have clouds, you have zigzag, but I want to add waves. In waves also you have waves brush, okay, like this one. You have waves pattern. Okay, so I want simple waves. And for bottom also I want to increase some more padding, so I'll click on this inner section Earlier we had 80, I'll make it 120. Okay, bottom padding, now click on update. So this is how this section will